Well, tubers, I'm sitting here in the driveway. I just cranked the truck up and yes, we have the dreaded check engine light on. Let's figure out what it is. So, step one, let me hook up the code reader and give this thing a read. See? Just so you can see, truck off, check engine light. Yep, we're in trouble here for that. So let's figure this out. Step one, read the code. The truck's got 32,000 or so miles on it. So let me just plug that bad boy in. Okay, that's good. Come on back with me here. Let me hit read. And let's see what this bad boy says. One code. All right, p0031 oxygen sensor heater. Control circuit low. Bank 1 sensor 1. Okay. P0031 bank 1 sensor 1. So that's an oxygen sensor. Well, there's no sense erasing the code and seeing if it will fix itself, because I tried that already and it didn't work. So now I need to go get an oxygen sensor. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find yourself the oxygen sensor. So let's see. We want rockauto. Rockauto right there. And then we slide down. Rockauto Toyota. We've got a 2003 Tundra, 8-cylinder, and we're looking, I guess it'd be exhaust and emission. Let's try that.
No?
Yeah, there we go. Oxygen sensor, right there. Now we've got lots of choices. This is the economy. But we could drag it down a little and see daily driver. There's no premium, so we just got daily drivers. And our choices, I'm going to go in the daily driver. We need the upstream. So there's Bosch at 36, a Walker, Denso. Oh, I love Denso. Denso makes the alternators on my truck. So I'm going to pick Denso. 37 bucks. I actually went to the Toyota dealer. They needed my VIN number, but for oxygen sensor they told me it could be anywhere between 150 and 250 for the sensor. All right. This looks like the right deal. Screw in 4-prong connector. And those are all the OEM part numbers. If you actually had your OEM part number, you could make sure, but I'm just shooting from the hip. So then you basically just click add to cart, which, yeah, I can do that, it doesn't matter. And then bump, 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 pay for it, you're done. And that's all there is to it. Remove from cart, because I don't want to buy it. I've already ordered one, and it'll get here Wednesday. So I ordered it Saturday night, be here Wednesday. The shipping was $10. I even got a $5 oxygen sensor wrench socket. So my total bill was $59. It's a good deal. But that's how simple it is to find the parts you need to get something done. I'm going to be spraying this sensor with WD-40 over the next couple days. I'm not driving the truck. I'll drive the Camry. And I'll be ready to go when it gets here.